I'm diving deep into some meditation secrets that are said to be game changers, and I'm challenging myself to try out each one and see if they really work. In today's fast-paced world, meditation has become a vital tool for finding peace and clarity. With the constant demands of modern life, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos and lose sight of what's truly important. That's why incorporating meditation into your daily routine can be a total game changer. But here's the thing, most people don't really know how to meditate effectively. They might try it out for a few days, but then get frustrated and give up because they don't see immediate results. Or, they might think that meditation is only for yogis or Buddhists, and that it's not for them. The truth is, meditation is for anyone who's willing to put in the effort and commit to a consistent practice. And, with the right techniques and mindset, you can experience profound benefits that go far beyond just feeling relaxed. Meditation has the power to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. It can help you develop a stronger sense of self-awareness, improve your relationships, and even boost your creativity and productivity. So, in this video, I'm going to share some meditation secrets that will take your practice to the next level. You might be surprised at how much more effective you can be with just a few simple tweaks to your technique. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to meditation is simply getting started. They might feel overwhelmed by all the different techniques and traditions out there, or they might worry that they're not doing it right. Another common obstacle is finding the time to meditate. A lot of people think that meditation requires a huge time commitment, and that it's only for those who can sit for hours on end. But the truth is, you can benefit from meditation even if you only have a few minutes a day. And, with the right mindset, you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. A lot of people also struggle with distractions during meditation. They might find their minds wandering off to their to-do lists, or they might get frustrated with the constant noise in their environment. Or, they might have misconceptions about what meditation is all about. They might think that it's just about sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop, or that it's only for spiritual seekers. The reality is, meditation is a highly personal and subjective experience. There's no one right way to do it, and what works for one person might not work for another. So, how do you overcome these challenges and make meditation a consistent part of your daily routine? One key is to find a technique that resonates with you. There are countless styles and approaches out there, from mindfulness to transcendental meditation, and each one has its own unique benefits. For example, some people love using guided meditations, where they can simply follow the voice of a guide and let go of any tension or stress. Others prefer more active approaches, like movement meditation or walking meditation, which allow them to cultivate a sense of flow and connection with their bodies. And then there are those who prefer to focus on the breath, using techniques like anapanasati or alternate nostril breathing to calm their minds and balance their energy. The science behind meditation is also fascinating, and it can be a great motivator for those who are skeptical or hesitant. Did you know that regular meditation can actually change the structure of your brain, increasing gray matter in areas related to attention, emotion regulation, and memory? Or, that meditation can lower your blood pressure, boost your immune system, and even reduce chronic pain? These benefits are not just anecdotal, they're backed up by countless studies and research papers. But even with all these benefits, many people still struggle to make meditation a consistent part of their daily routine. So, what's the secret to overcoming these obstacles and making meditation a non-negotiable part of your daily life? One surprising secret is that meditation is not just about the time you spend sitting on your cushion, it's about the intention and energy you bring to your practice. You see, a lot of people approach meditation as a kind of obligation, or a chore that they have to check off their to-do list. But the truth is, meditation is a privilege, and it's something that you should look forward to every day. By shifting your mindset and approach, you can totally transform your meditation practice and start experiencing the profound benefits that it has to offer. In fact, this secret is so powerful that it can revolutionize your entire approach to meditation and spirituality. So, what does this mean for you, and how can you start applying this secret to your own meditation practice? The key is to approach meditation with a sense of curiosity and openness, rather than obligation or duty. You might try setting an intention before you start your meditation, such as cultivating more compassion or clarity. Or, you might experiment with different techniques and styles until you find one that truly resonates with you. By doing so, you can start to experience the profound benefits of meditation for yourself, and start living a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. So, let's recap the key points we've covered so far. Meditation is a powerful tool that can transform your life in countless ways, from reducing stress and anxiety to boosting your creativity and productivity. However, many people struggle to make meditation a consistent part of their daily routine due to distractions, misconceptions, or lack of time. The key to overcoming these obstacles is to find a technique that resonates with you, understand the science behind meditation, and approach your practice with a sense of curiosity and openness. And, by applying the surprising secret we revealed earlier, you can totally transform your meditation practice and start experiencing the profound benefits that it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's been your experience with meditation, and what secrets have you discovered that have helped you deepen your practice?